Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio, and today got here the Cruise Chaser Blassty model kit from Moderoid Good Smile Company, and this is Blassty. Yeah, so this is the main mecha playable character in that video game where it can transform from this kind of mecha into a fighter mode. And good thing Kotobukiya and Moderoid models or model kit do model kits that are, Bandai refused to do, and these models came from a video game or not so popular anime or any mecha work. So good thing Kotobukiya and Moderoid do those kits. So there we go. We got this Blassty here, and honestly, the plastic quality of this kit is not that good compared with the new releases of Moderoid. So the joints of this kit is really bad, and it tends to have some stress mark, especially those gray parts there. So I don't usually play with this, and I built this for about 2 years already, but doesn't play and do review up to now. Yeah, because I don't like this kit. Honestly, I don't like the plastic quality. Blassty is a good character, but the plastic quality made by Moderoid here, since this is the early release, are not so good. Anyway, if you do look at the head is really small. It's really thin. At first you will notice that this sensor here is the head, but no, this is the head here. If I'm going to zoom, this is really thin. The head is really thin. As you can see, that it's like a warped head of a GM. And there we got this cockpit here. If you want to transform it to fighter mode, this is the cockpit. And here we got the launcher. It reminds me of the Gundam X launcher. And we got here camera sensor. This is the sensor here, the red one. And we got these balls. It's not testicles, but this is the booster, if I'm not mistaken. Honestly, I don't have the interchangeable parts to make it transform, so I cannot make you see the transformation for this. I'll just review this into the mobile suit mode. So the shoulder here, it has a multiple joint here. It can rotate this, and can raise the arm here. Can rotate also there, but it's a stiff one. And for the elbow here can bend, double jointed, 360 180 degrees almost. And for the hands, I changed the hand to the Dalin decal hand, this metallic silver or metallic gray hands from the Dalin decal. And it can hold a sword. This is the beam saber here, so it's a very nice blade, clear blade. And for the shield, we got this clear shield here, so it can transform into this one like this, and it can retract like that and reveal this beam shield here. Okay, something like that. But I lost this part here for this, so it's not a problem because I intend to use this kind of gimmick on the left arm. For the waist here, it's on ball joint. They're on ball joint. Can kick forward up to this far, kick backward up to that far, and it can do some split, basic split like this. Okay, and the knees can bend 90 degrees bend. Okay, and for the feet is on this kind of mechanisms. It's all on thrusters, verniers, and this one can move somehow, yeah, like this. For the waist can rotate like that. Okay, so it's on a peg and polycap. Okay. For the backpack here, the backpack can move this one, these balls here, or testicles. Yeah, okay, can move like that. So, okay, the boosters here are also moving like that. Okay. For the head is, it cannot turn right side, only the left side. Okay. So the beam saber there, I make it held by the left arm or left hand. So there. For size comparison, this is the 1/100 no grade Katsuki Gundam. So the kit is about the size of an average master grade and 1/100 scale model kit from Bandai, and compare it with Kotobukiya Solidea here. It's taller than the Kotobukiya Solidea. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this Moderoid review of the Cruise Chaser Blassty. This kit is somehow recommendable if you buy the release or the reissue models. Okay, goodbye. God bless. Take care.